I face with the meeting approval form is the tracking or having the visibility on what is the status of that form, whether it's approved or rejected.
What I feel about the current process, when I have to submit any form, I have to call to make sure it moves from one desk to another. Simply, I don't have any clear visibility to track it for approval.
So my impression about the pharma documents is that I find it really time-consuming, that you have to come to the office in order to prepare your documents. Sometimes you might find the papers lost, so you have to search again for those papers or documents or resubmit all over again.
Introducing eBA to AZ Gulf is a key milestone in improving our workplace. It's simply automating our current processes. It gives you 4 main benefits. The first one, it saves time. Second, it reduces the paperwork. And third, it reduces the risk and helps us being more compliant. And at last but not least, it gives you visibility on the status of your request. And all of this in a user-friendly system that is available on laptops and iPads.
Being a part of the eBA pilot, I felt this system is really going to help us as a team assistant on terms of all our paperworks. This online system is not only going to help us, but the whole organization and make Astrazeneca the best place to work.
eBA is a wonderful platform that will completely transform the entire documentation process in Astrazeneca Gulf. Whether you're submitting for a meeting request form, for an advisory board, for a speaker tour, or for a speaker-led meeting, requesting for a sponsorship, or simply adding a KOL to the KOL database, be it anything, it's going to be all on eBA, but in a much more simpler, structured, and organized way. The one thing that I really liked about the entire process was that they took a couple of us end users from different departments, medical, sales, and marketing, and pilot tested the platform on us to make sure that they take our inputs during the developmental phase of this process. Everything remains the same, the policy remains the same, the SOPs remain the same. However, it's going to be in a much more streamlined and structured way to make sure we minimize the possibility of making mistakes and do the right thing.